Now, suppose like we have talked about creating a directory lot, but now you have to delete them. Okay, so suppose we have some directories named production, dev, or staging. There are 3 directories. So you have to delete them. So what will be the command for deleting them?
Okay, so to delete a directory, for that we have to use the command like rm. Rm is remove. So when we want to delete a directory, for that the command would be rm space -r means recursive, then space, then I have to specify the directory. Like suppose I want to delete the staging directory, then I have to give the staging directory name, and if I hit enter, then the staging directory will be deleted.
Okay, you have mentioned about -r, which represent recursive. So basically, why
Recursive.
we need to use that -r, or what it will do when deleting any directory?
So in a directory, there might be some like the nested directories, like there will be some files and other directories. So if you use the -r, then it will also delete the nested directory also that is actually stored in the directory.
Okay, thank you so much.